time to take this back seat out of here. Don't worry about how dirty it is. It's filthy. I'm gonna clean it up. The car just been sitting for a minute, so you know she started becoming a little bit of a storage. But I figured a little. You gotta reach your hand down in here, and grab this seat, bro, and pull it up. Like it's gonna look like you messing your seat up, but it's what you gotta do. I'm doing this by myself, so it's gonna be a little bit shaky. Whoops. As y'all can see, it's coming up. Let me go around to the other side. Whoops. Knocked y'all down, bruh. Might as well clean these bad boys since I'm pulling them out. Right. Alright. Well, I can't give y'all no other angle because I ain't got no helper, so I'm about to see how to yank it out, and then I'll explain it to y'all once I get it out. Hold on.
Look at me. I'm gonna break it. Oh, you didn't break it, huh? It's
just hard. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Mama distracted me, man, but seat is out. Y'all seen how hard it was. I think she probably was in a dang on way. But fuel pumps right here. I'm gonna change out both, but I only got this primary one today. Hopefully it power up and everything good. But I'm gonna still order that one over there just cause. But I honestly don't even think my fuel pump is bad. I think the wires might have just fried. So I'm gonna pop this open and we're gonna take a look. I'm gonna clean this shit before I put this seat back. Who calling me? I need space on the beat. Alright, y'all. I'm about to try to get this top ring off of the fuel pump so we can pull it out and change it. Alright, guys. So we got it. Pretty much we popped it off, as y'all can see it's wet. Gas all right there. Had too much gas still in the car because y'all see it started freaking pouring out, so I'm gonna use the wet vac. And then I think though I'm gonna try to plug this fuel pump up, the other one, and see if it turn on before we do all this, but it don't matter though. Let's start vacuuming. Alright, y'all, it's a new day. We're about to try to get this job done today, man, with the charger. Get her back on the road, get her cranked up, get her back rolling. That's what we got going on. I already got the seat out, y'all already know. Pump right there. I broke it loose already. And I had just connected the new pump and stuff just to make sure that this was my issue, because I really wasn't sure, you know. I just was, but I was right, so we good. It turned on as soon as I put the key in the on position, so we good. I just got to get this battery back charged because the car dead is a donut. I'll probably try to jump it or something. We'll see what it do. But anyways, you to take this pump out, bro. I'm telling you, I tried with the screwdriver, but my screwdriver wasn't big enough. Like, it's too small. You need a big one. If you're gonna try it that way, putting it right here on one of these little clips and hitting it with a hammer right here to push it, it might work, but it was kind of damaging the ring. So I just went ahead on and ordered the tool. This the tool right here. Whoops. Let me get out the way. Well, that's a breaker bar, but the tool is this black piece right here that's connected to the end. It just slide on the end of your ratchet. A 1/2 inch ratchet. 1/2 inch. I'm just using a breaker bar. This shit. Alright guys, y'all seen how I did that? You just put it on there in the groove. You're gonna see it while I'm talking about what groove I'm talking about. I'm gonna show y'all anyway. My bad, my mama came over here annoying the shit out of me. Anyway, man, you gotta put the tool in this groove here and then one on the other side and then spin it, counterclockwise to loosen it. Then your ring gonna pop off. It is difficult, bro. I had to use a big boy breaker bar to get it off, bro. So just yeah. So it's off. Pump should just rise up out of there. You gotta this hose right here. It's a little green tab in the front of it. You gotta push that and pull it up. Boom. Just got it off, y'all. Then there's two little clear hoses. One small one, one big one. But you gotta just pull it up and out. Woo! Damn. Got the top piece off. Alright, but that's cool though. I don't need that. Here she comes. Give me. Try to pull some of this gas out of here. And it's out, guys. Now the problem with this shit, guys, you gotta have this other stuff that's down in there out of your way. You know what I mean? Hold on. New old read. that I don't know if we gonna use because the shape is out of there. Okay. Stretch it out some. Make it work right. Damn, space. Slide your ring back on top. Should be good right there. Now we just want to grab our tool. Put your tool on. Mine's done moved a little bit. There you go. Whew. See if we were successful. Battery dead as shit, so I had to bring the Sonata over here. Try to jump her. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright guys, we got the Sonata hooked up so we can have some juice. Now let's see. Man, I gotta clean this car. Packages and stuff everywhere, guys. Okay. Now, all we gotta do is see if we hear the sound back there. Oh yeah, I hear it. AC trying to turn on. Battery is super dead. Got her cranked up, guys, but she do not sound happy. I hear some ticking. Man, that's not good, guys. Why is the weed here ticking? Coming from this damn motor. That's a tick. That's a bad tick. I don't like it at all. That shit wasn't ticking like that. That's a bad tick, bro. Not sound happy. in there. Damn. Last thing we want to hear is a tick like that, guys. That's tough. Change the oil. I'm gonna put some additives in here. Probably some Molly, whatever that shit called. And hopefully it helped that lifter, bro. That's a lifter or something. Does not sound good. But she back up and running. I wish I would have got it on camera, but didn't. Didn't think she was gonna start. But she cranked right up. Ah, that tick ain't, man. Definitely don't sound good.